Mr. Allred, and so we have a practice problem for solving inequalities. The problem is 16x plus 5 is less than or equal to 8x minus 12. So if we think about solving this like we do an equation, there are no fractions, there's no parentheses, so we'll start trying to get our x's to one side. So in doing that, I will subtract 8x from both sides, and at the same time, I will try and get my non-x's to the other side, so I will subtract 5 from both sides. So, of course, things cancel out. That's what I was aiming for. And what I get is 8x less than or equal to negative 17. And I want to definitely get x by itself, so I'll divide both sides by 8. That's a positive 8, so it doesn't flip the inequality around. So when I clean up, I get x less than or equal to negative 17/8. You can use a calculator if you're concerned about how big that number is. But while we're here, go ahead and write all three forms. So we have the inequality notation here. X is less than or equal to negative 17/8. So let's put it on the number line. So we got 0 and we got negative 17/8, which would definitely be to the left of 0. So we want the numbers that are less than or equal to this. So that means we'll be going less than to the left with an arrow forever. And less than or equal to means it will be a bracket. So a bracket at negative 17/8 and an arrow pointing to the left. And then we want to turn that into an interval. It goes all the way to the left, so that's a negative infinity. And remember, that always gets the parentheses. And it goes to negative 17/8, and that is a bracket, so we have a bracket. So parentheses, negative infinity to negative 17/8 bracket.